everybody, welcome back to Meals with Marcia. Today I want to share a recipe with you on how to make homemade vanilla creamer for your coffee. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. The first thing you need is some milk. I'm just using 2%. I think that's a good even kill. You can do whole milk if you want, but this is pretty thick when you get it all mixed together, so I think 2% is more than enough. So you need 1.5 cups of 2% milk. Pour that in. And then you need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna pour that in. This is a little slow. I have to get my scraper here to get it out because it's thick. This is what makes it thick. So that's why I think 2% milk is probably fine unless you just want more milk fat in there. You can also buy the fat-free. You could do skim milk, and you could also do the low-fat sweetened condensed milk. I've never done it like that because we kind of like the fat. If we want to drink it with creamer, we want the fat. But you can make this a skinnier version if you want. It's not going to cut your sugar out, but, you know, a little bit more in there. It kind of sticks to the bottom. Okay, see if I can get that in there. All right, now I'm just going to kind of take my finger and push that down in there. We don't want to miss any of that goodness. Every time I think about sweetened condensed milk, I think of my mother-in-law because when she used to come stay with us, she every time I cooked anything with sweetened condensed milk, she would run over there to the coffee pot and make some coffee so she could scrape the bottom of that out and put some of that sweetened condensed milk in her coffee. She loved it, so I think she would absolutely love this. All right, and then I'm going to do a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now this is some homemade vanilla that I have made. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's little flecks of black in it because that's some of the caviar from the vanilla. It's not going to hurt anything. It just gives it a richer taste. I didn't strain this when I did it. I just had, I just left the flakes in there, which is fine. It's kind of like if you eat vanilla bean ice cream, you know. And when I mix all this up and taste it, it always makes me think of homemade ice cream anyway. So anyway, I'm using some of that, and I do have a video that's going to be going up about how to make my homemade vanilla extract. So if you're interested, you can watch that. All right, we're going to do 1 heaping tablespoon of this homemade vanilla. Now, if you don't have homemade vanilla, you can use vanilla from the store. I would use the pure vanilla. I think it makes it richer. Or you could try the imitation, but you might want to do a little bit more in it instead of not just, you know, a little bit. I'm about out. But I got me some more vanilla working right now. Hopefully it'll be ready in the next month or so. All right, I'm going to just clean this jar off. And I'm just going to put it in this, put this lid on really tight. So we're going to shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Because all that's trying to go down to the bottom. And just shake it up really good. It's so delicious, y'all. All right. And that's it. You just shake it till everything's out. If you see some that's kind of stuck on the side, just keep shaking it. Or you could just get you one little frother and froth it. I don't know. Or you could put it in a mixer and mix it. But I think shaking it's just as good. Or if you had one of those little balls that people put in their protein shakes, drop it down in there and shake it. And that would shake everything up in there too. All right. There you have it, guys. Homemade vanilla creamer. Now, if you wanted to mix this up a little bit, it smells just like homemade ice cream. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Anyway, I've had this in my coffee and it is delicious. So if you wanted to spice this up a little bit more, you could get you like 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, put it in here and do some pumpkin pie spice, shake that up and make you some pumpkin creamer. I personally do not like pumpkin creamer, so not be trying that. And then if you like caramel macchiato or whatever, you could get you some caramel sauce and put you like a 1/4 cup of caramel sauce in with this too. Shake it up well and you could create caramel macchiato creamer. But anyway, that's the basic vanilla creamer. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marcia. And don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. And I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.